Every single time you break a rule, overtrade, or freeze on a perfect setup, you tell yourself the same story. That you are lazy, that you are weak, that you simply do not have what it takes. I am here to tell you that story is completely, scientifically wrong. You are not undisciplined. You are undertrained psychologically, and that changes absolutely everything. Before I explain what psychological training actually means, I want you to do something. Think of the last time you broke your trading rules. Got it? Now ask yourself honestly, in that exact moment, did you not know what the rule was? No. You knew exactly what the rule was. You broke it anyway. That gap between knowing and doing is not a discipline gap. It is a training gap, and it is 100% closable. Here's the analogy that will permanently change how you see yourself as a trader. Imagine handing a completely untrained person a scalpel and asking them to perform open heart surgery. They fail catastrophically. Now tell me, is that person undisciplined? No, they are undertrained. Trading under psychological pressure with zero mental training is identical. The market is the operating table. Your emotions are the untrained hands. The outcome is always the same. Nobody questions whether a surgeon needs years of psychological and physical training before touching a patient. But every retail trader expects to sit down in front of the most psychologically demanding environment ever created, live financial markets, with zero mental training and somehow perform like a professional. That expectation is not ambition, it is psychological negligence. Now here's the part that is going to make you uncomfortable. The trading industry does not want you to know you are undertrained psychologically, because selling you a new strategy, a new indicator, a new signal group, that is a billion-dollar business. Telling you the problem is in your nervous system and takes 6 months of boring repetition to fix, that does not sell subscriptions, but it is the only truth that actually sets you free. So what does psychological undertraining actually look like in real time? There are 4 specific failure patterns that undertrained traders repeat on a loop. And I mean a loop. The same month, the same mistake, the same account destruction, over and over. Not because they are stupid, because the psychological pattern has never been interrupted and replaced with a trained response. Failure pattern 1, emotional hijacking. This is when a single losing trade completely rewires your decision-making for the rest of the session. One red candle turns your mechanical edge into emotional gambling. An undertrained nervous system treats a what loss as a survival threat. Your cortisol spikes, your prefrontal cortex, the rational brain, goes partially offline. You are now operating on pure emotion and calling it trading. Failure pattern 2, identity fusion. This is when your account balance becomes your self-worth. A green day makes you feel like a genius. A red day makes you feel like a failure as a human being. This is not a mindset problem. This is a training problem. The untrained trader has never learned to separate their identity from their trade outcomes. A trained trader views a loss the exact same way a surgeon views a difficult case. Data to analyze, not a verdict on their worth. Failure pattern 3, tolerance collapse. Every trader has a psychological tolerance threshold, the maximum drawdown their nervous system can handle before panic overrides process. For an undertrained trader, that threshold is dangerously low. 2 losses and the system collapses. A trained trader has systematically expanded their tolerance threshold through deliberate exposure until 3, 4, 5 consecutive losses produce zero emotional deviation in execution. Failure pattern 4, process amnesia. This is the most insidious one. Under pressure, the undertrained trader literally forgets their rules. Not because the rules were unclear, but because their nervous system was never trained to retrieve and execute those rules under the specific neurological conditions of stress, loss, and uncertainty. Elite military units do not just learn procedures in a classroom. They drill them under simulated pressure until the response is automatic. Your trading rules need the exact same treatment. Here's where it gets genuinely exciting. Because every single one of those 4 failure patterns is a trainable skill. Not a personality trait, not a genetic limitation. A trainable, measurable, improvable psychological skill. Exactly like a muscle, and I'm going to give you the exact 3-phase training protocol right now. Stay with me. This next section is the part most trading channels will never show you. Phase 1 of psychological training is called pressure mapping. Before you can train a response, you must first precisely identify every specific trigger that causes your process to break down. Not vague triggers like, I get emotional after losses. Exact triggers. Is it the third consecutive loss? Is it trading after 2 p.m.? Is it when you are down more than 0.5%? You cannot fix what you have not mapped. Spend 2 full weeks doing nothing but logging the exact conditions present every single time your process breaks. Phase 2 is controlled stress inoculation. Once you have mapped your pressure triggers precisely, you deliberately expose yourself to those exact conditions in a controlled, low-stakes environment. If your third consecutive loss causes process collapse, you paper trade scenarios of 3 consecutive losses repeatedly until your nervous system stops treating that scenario as a threat. You are literally vaccinating your psychology against its own triggers. Phase 3 is automated rule retrieval. This is where you train your brain to access your process automatically under pressure, the same way a trained pilot runs a checklist under emergency conditions without thinking. Every single day, before you open a single chart, you read your rules out loud. Not silently, out loud, for 30 consecutive days. This is not motivational ritual. This is neurological repetition that physically strengthens the neural pathway between your rules and your execution under stress. Let me show you exactly what this transformation looks like in a real trader. Meet someone I will call Trader C. 6 months ago, Trader C had blown 4 consecutive funded accounts. Same pattern every time. 2 good weeks, 1 bad session, full emotional collapse, account gone. Every coach told him he lacked discipline. Every forum told him he needed a better strategy. Nobody told him he was simply undertrained psychologically. Trader C spent 60 days doing nothing but the 3 phases. Pressure mapping his exact triggers, inoculating against them through deliberate repetition, reading his rules out loud every single morning. By day 60, something extraordinary happened. Not in his account, but in his nervous system. For the first time in his trading career, he took 3 consecutive losses and felt nothing. Not happiness, not sadness, nothing. Pure clinical neutrality. That nothing, that emptiness, is the sound of a trained psychology. The most dangerous lie in trading is that consistency is a talent. It is not. Consistency is a trained neurological state. The traders you admire, the ones who execute the same way on a Monday after 3 losses as they do on a Friday after 3 wins. They are not naturally wired that way. They trained that way, deliberately, repetitively, boringly, over hundreds of hours of deliberate psychological work that nobody ever posts about on social media. So, here's your new story. You are not undisciplined. You are a psychologically undertrained trader who has now been given the exact diagnostic framework and the exact 3-phase training protocol to close that gap permanently. The only question remaining is whether you will treat your psychological training with the same seriousness as your strategy training. Because one without the other is a car with an engine and no steering wheel. Starting tomorrow morning, I want you to do one thing. Before you open a single chart, write down the exact conditions that caused your last rule break. The time, the emotional state, the trade number in the session, the specific rule that was violated. That one entry is the beginning of your pressure map. That one entry is the first rep of your psychological training. That one entry is the first brick of the foundation that changes everything. If this video reframed the way you see yourself as a trader, subscribe right now, because every single video on this channel is built to replace self-blame with actionable psychological tools. Drop a comment below telling me which of the 4 failure patterns hits closest to home. Emotional hijacking, identity fusion, tolerance collapse, or process amnesia. I read every comment personally, and your answer will shape the next video I make. I will see you in the next one.